Alright, what's going on, traders? This is Rob MV3 Trader here. Second try at making this video. I made this video already once, but I didn't have the sound on, so I'm doing it again. So anyway, let me go one more time with it. Alright, so this is gonna be a real quick video, probably less than 5 minutes. I just want to, I got a question recently about, my templates and within the, my journal. So I wanted to, and I've been, I'm always working on updating it. I've made some recent updates to it and and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to make this real quick video to show you how to get the templates, any of the templates, whether that's a spreadsheet that I track my future trades with, or anything else. It's all going to be right there within the journal. As of right now, I may change that in the future, but let's not even worry about that right now. So anyway, all right, so let's go ahead and get right into this. So if you're not already familiar with my journal and the website, there's two ways to access the journal. You got this, you can go through the menu up here. There's a link for the journal. Also on the home page, once you go to mv3trader.com, you'll have this link right here, right on the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. All right, it'll take you right here to the journal page. Just real quick, you can see my Leeloo progress, making a little bit of progress there. And then you scroll down. You have my older journals that I have archived. They're all right here. You can dig through and see the historical stuff if you're interested. But to get the most recent stuff, you click on this big red button here. Click here for access to the journal. All right, so that'll bring up the journal on Notions. All right, so what that'll do is once you click on that link, it'll take you to Notion's web-based version of the app. This is where I keep all my journal related stuff, right? All my templates, all my trackers and all that stuff. I keep it right here in the journal, right? So so just real quick, I put the template to my futures trades tracker. The spreadsheet is right here. You can, any of these, if you want a template of any of this stuff, all you gotta do is click on it. So for these first two right here, the actual tracker, which is kind of outdated, I need to actually update this, but I haven't really taken a lot of live trades anyway. So this tracker, I record, I write down all of my trades that I take in my regular trading account with AMP Futures, right? So if you want to get access to this template, what you'll do is you'll just click on it, right? And if you're not already signed in to Google, it'll ask you to go ahead and sign into Google. You have to be signed into Google to get, because this is a Google Doc, this is a Google spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So you have to be signed in to Google. And once you're signed in, you'll get it'll bring you to the screen right here. Say you need access, and all you'll do is you can put a message in there if you want to. Like, let's see, I'm gonna put a message in there. Hey bro, I would love to have access to this awesome information. There we go. All right, and then you just go ahead and hit request access. All right, so once you do that, it'll send an email to me, and then I will, give you access to it, that way. All right. So that's one way to get there. So that's the way to get access right as of right now for something that's locked. I probably will change that in the future, but as of right now, that's how it's gonna work. All right, and it's completely free. I'm not gonna charge you for it. As of right now. Anyway, let me keep moving. All right, so going back to the journal. Now, if you want access to this, if you want to get access to the template, that one you don't need to request access for. You just click on it, and it'll take you, it'll let you download it. You just go ahead and hit OK, and you can download it to your computer. It's an Excel spreadsheet, right? But of course, it also works on, Google Sheets, or it should work on any of those, any type of app that's related to Microsoft Excel. If you don't have Microsoft Excel and you want access to this, the easiest thing to do is just to open it with Google Sheets. That's what I would do, right? So again, more information about that, about the spreadsheet as well as Notion is in you can check out my previous video about the journal, where I talk more about that. So you can check out my previous video that I made, and I'm gonna link it somewhere in this video and also in the description below. about where I talked about the journal and the spreadsheet within my futures trades tracking spreadsheet. Just go ahead and click that if you want more information about all that stuff. Now I'm gonna actually make another video in the future, or more videos in the future, that really goes into complete details about the spreadsheet. If this is your first time hearing me talk about the spreadsheet, what the spreadsheet does is not only the way I set it up is you can journal your trades, all your trades in the spreadsheet. It also has some calculations, some calculators in there that automatically calculates your risk and reward and all that good stuff. So again, that's how you get access to it. You just click on it. The one for that one, you request access. If the ones that are not locked, like the template, all the templates that I put in here, they're not going to be locked, so you can just click on it and you can download it, right? All right, so if you want to copy my Notion layout for my journal or anything that I share within this journal app, the first thing you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that you're logged in. So you'll just go right up here to Notion, to up here in the top right corner, to where you see the Notion icon and all that stuff, right? Just click on this link. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you log in. I'm gonna log in with my Google account. Once you logged in, you'll see right up here in the top left, you'll see your account name, if you set a picture and all that good stuff. You'll see all that. You'll know that you're logged in right up here at the top left. Also, the top right a little different. That Notion icon won't be there anymore. So this is how you know if you're logged in, right? And you can click on click on this and it'll show you your account information. All right, so once you logged in to Notion, you just go back to the journal. And if you're already logged in, you don't have to do all these steps. It's only requiring me to do all of these steps because I'm using Firefox, and the way that I have my Firefox set up is it doesn't store any of the information. That's just security things that for security purposes for me. But if you want to copy this layout that I have in Notion, all you gotta do is go to duplicate, and then this box, this message will come up that show you that it's duplicating, right? And it's gonna take a few seconds to finish, so you just wait for it and you just let that go ahead and do what it's gonna do. All right, so once it's done, it'll take you to your Notion, right? And now you have this duplicated. Now, so this is only a copy of my template, or a copy of my layout. So now you have your very own copy. So if I make changes in my Notion, and once you copy it for yourself, you're not, it's not gonna affect what you copy. It's not gonna affect your version of it, right? So you can go in here and you can make all kind of changes to it and make it fit however you want it to look, or whatever information that you want to have in your journal, and it's not gonna affect the one that you duplicated from. You only made a copy of it, right? So the journal that I do every day, the way that you'll access it is you'll go down here to the calendar and you click on this little plus sign, right? Click on that, you'll scroll down, you'll go to journal entry. It'll show you the templates down here, and the template that you're going to click on is journal entry. You just click on that, and now that'll populate that template for how I have it. You can also make changes to it. So let me go back and let me do a new one. I'm going to same date. All right, so you'll hover over it. If you want to make changes to this journal entry template, you'll just hover over it, and on the right side you'll see this little 3 dots. You go ahead and click on that to edit the template. Click edit, and now you can make any kind of changes that you want to this template. Let's say I don't want to do a COB. I want to take this out or whatever, and I want to have something. Let's see, count all my monies. All right, that's we're gonna add that to our little. This is my little pre-market or morning routine checklist. My little checklist for my how I do the journal. So let's say when you make a change there, it automatically saves the change, and all you gotta do is go back, or you can just close out of this window by clicking off of it. So now, once I do that now, once I load the template in here now, you'll see that the change that you make, count all my monies, you'll see the change that you made is in there. All right, so that is basically everything that I wanted to show you today. That's the journal. How to get it's the recap. That's how to duplicate or copy or use my layout or my template for yourself. That's also how you can also shows you how to download this futures trades spreadsheet, the tracker. I'm gonna get my words together one day, but anyway, that's everything I wanted to show you in this little quick video. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. Go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. If you like this, if you found this information useful, y'all already know what to do. Like and subscribe if you haven't done this also already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Trade it easy.